First, so ang dami pa rin songs na hinahanap ng fans.
Yes.
Actually, yung mga katabi namin. So pwede nang bagkantahin dito yun. May mga idadagdag kami.
Actually, meron, direct may mga dinagdag kaming songs. Kasi nga, yun nga,
Hinahanap
pinapakinggan naman talaga namin yung mga comments and suggestions ng mga supporters and fans. So, we really do it.
So may mga magbabago direct. Like yung opening yung pa rin ba? Or bago, as a surprise.
Surprise, yes.
So parang panibagong show to direct.
It is actually.
So hindi lang basta repeat.
Siguro mga
80%. So at least matutuwa na yung mga solid fans talaga.
Yes, and yung kung
Na
sino
naghanap
yung,
ng mga song na hindi mo nakakita.
yes, kung sino yung nanonood sa una, magugulat pa rin sila.
Kasi parang
It's
panibagong.
kind of the same, but it's not. Parang ganun.
Good luck. Thank you, Nina.
Thank you so much.
Si German Villanueva from Charmaine Magazine. Ay, Orange Magazine pala sa
Orange Marks.
Kaya ba naka-orange bag? Kasi orange na yun. Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Can you share some trivia naman about your album yung Nina Live? Like, is there a song na munti ka na hindi mo kantahin? Or may mga song ka dapat na ilalagay para hindi na masama?
Ang trivia ko lang dyan is nung ginagawa ko yung Nina Live, may sakit ako. Yes, yun ang pinaka-trivia doon. So hindi alam ng mga tao talagang sobrang na akong may sipon na ako. Hindi naman yun talagang sipon na sobrang andyan na, pero I can feel it that it's there na medyo masakit rin na lang yung love ko, ganyan. So, yun ang trivia doon. May sakit ako na graduate na Nina Live album.
And marami ka na nakanta, marami ka na na-cover. Is there still one song na hindi mo pa nakakanta na gusto-gusto mo?
Well, actually, sa mga songs naman, minsan pag hindi ko naman nakakanta sa bars or sa mga iba kong concert, usually nag-video ko yung mag-isa. So, doon ko kinakanta. So, medyo nakakanta ko pa rin naman. Hindi lang naman in front of the audience, pero still, I can sing it by myself.
So can you name your go-to karaoke song?
Go, ang dami. Ano ba? See, top of mind, kaya top of mind is all by myself. Diba? So, yeah.
Last
Top of
song.
mind.
Last song. Question. If you had one song na talagang gusto mong ma-remember sa kanta, ano siya anyway?
I guess it would be Love Moves in Mysterious Ways. Because, yung talaga, a lot of people could relate to the song and a lot of people could sing it. And it has a very, it means a lot to me because it's the first song that we came out with when we launched the Nina Live album.
Last, pahabol na rin.
Yes.
Any song na you wish people will hear more from you? Yung personally, ikaw talaga gusto mo, not necessarily a hit song, but something really close to you.
Top of my mind again. Well, there's this one, there's a song in one of my albums, Nina Smile, that I composed and Can't Say That I Love You, yung title niya. So, yun lang, pinupost ko kasi for myself. So, for anyone, pwede for anyone. Pwede for anyone, pwede for me, and for ating lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, Gemma. We have questions from Kevin Pableo from Manila Concert Scene.
Hi.
Hi Nina, congrats sa first concert.
Thank you.
And looking forward for the repeat.
Thank you so much.
Actually, it's yung sa mga pinapaborito ng concert na this year.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.
May question na rin sa lang din. What's one thing people might not know about preparing for a concert like this? Like,
Like,
I mean, yung di pa alam ng fans mo sa paghanda or yung preparation for the concert.
well, actually, I think they know all about it already because I've been asked a couple of times about how to prepare. Pero siguro yun talagang prepare lang talaga your voice and yung pagtulog and kailangan exercise, the foods that you eat, yun lang talaga eh. Very strict lang talaga before the concert. Like 1 week before, I think. Kasi kailangan you have to be fit for it. Diba? So yun.
Fan question. Ano yung pinaka-memorable na performance mo dun last na concert? Yung pinaka-favorite na performance?
Yung intro tsaka yung finale. Yung intro kasi yun nga, yung parang naiyak na ako kasi the song is really dedicated for the fans. It's really my song for everyone. And yung Love Moves din kasi it's what made the Nina Live album. Yun yung first song na nilabas sa Nina Live album. And it's been years. Tapos kinakanta ko rin talaga para sa kanila. And yun nga, nowadays, it's my love song for everyone. It's my theme song for everyone. And I'm really singing it for everyone during that night. So, naiyak talaga ako kasi really, that moves in mysterious ways. Their love, really, so mysterious.
Alright, thank you and good luck for the show.
Thank you, Kevin Pablay. We have questions from Gabby Libaris from GMA7.
Hello, hi.
Ay, Gabi.
Good afternoon. Have like a couple of questions now. When you look back at your career, so ang tagal na rin nun, di ba? When you remember the young Nina who released, was it Heaven, no?
Yeah. Yes, heaven.
What's a piece of advice that you would like to give her? The young Nina.
Just don't give up because things are really gonna be bigger if you really persevere and just stick to what God has given you, what talent God has given you, and because sometimes there will be a lot of like adversities and problems that will come. A lot of new artists will come, but if you believe in what you can do and what God has given you for it, you will strive and fly higher. Yes.
Okay, one more. What's the biggest love lesson? It could be beautiful, it could be painful, or it could be both, beautiful but painful. Now, love lesson that you learned that you still apply or that you still remind yourself to this day.
That when you love, don't give your whole self, your whole love and your whole self to that person. Just really, you have to leave some for yourself. Kasi you have to really doubt if it's really for real or if that person you're with is really the one for you. Kasi sometimes you never know that it's really not the one. Yeah. So, iwan lang ng konti for yourself. Huwag masyadong give na give ka.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
As we